Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
The kind of matter was say, no matter a tear for you now, say, no matter for so ada, me pessoa so for us. Na maka say, DK White, hey dear, or no, they me dancing. I say, me chiame. Me chiame, kasi pa, inti meda on us mother. Me bra paying kwesi comedy kwesi practice wa say na maka say me ahwahwa kase say ene yedu mpempenso a yedu ewo Ghana football mu because ade na me yusu na e ka me sun hu say betumi go through some reforms ewo Ghana football mu ye mu bi wo ha Nyankopon adom ye ball no free coast akosi sa time no first division ni professional football first division about professional football so you dey unko management him sa ko see time ya be commentators na ye di ball ho dance here and afa so Nyankopon adom ye be minister enti ne afem kese pa na meka se ade we sha ase ne nkeka ho nyina no meme hu se eye Nyankopon adom ma chede bi ode ache ye se Ghana ekwan ya faso a amaye na ye ball to sin no ye be faso atene no na ya enwoma yie ba meka se ne ye ne ese eye na mom e ka mi nko a anka nwoma bi wo ha efisa anka ye no ye no kane a anka ye DK we be de madanse se o interview me Emma Mika sembi se eka minko a anka fapim na ye football esisi no yenye fapim ne yie the FN foundation na ye dan ne besisi no fc ye ne yie sasen we sie me ni DKY dun komo na meka che ne se e wo mofidie so meka DKY se ne DKY fc ye ne se aban fc aban ye ne se on form commission na commission no and review your football nyina from coast football Division 3, Division 2, Division 1, professional football. You can say professional footballer, send FC no. Afi, omo aka no Division 3, Division 2, Division 1 na. Ombo ball na sika bia member bia then they betumi aya. Ye be mo tintin because e ho na efi say omo chinchim players no ansa na omo ba professional ansa omo nya kwan akobɔ national team. It is a foundation of coast football Division 3, Division 2. Enya year ye players na ye no epe ye benya players na the national level but they will be raw basics na FC munim no ABC na me catch your Ghana football ye tumi nya strikers ye cross ball amudi pampam and a head ball Ghana players ye up to today e binum national team players bi wo ha ball abadan enim se obema pass no on you soon in step no you should nine basics you might be ha anka ye kire e wo course level kra no because menua me no to e ade bi wo ha usua na class 1 one usua na university
dabi
but class 1 ade na usua e no aboa e ma wanya nyinaso e wo university ade na usua e no mu
no kre
nti meme de no nanka efsanka ye sa 2 years ye nya ye form commission they review your football. Yeah, a lot of former GFA presidents, a lot of football administrators in Kaon. You do more back together and no year. In Tinanka, ye guidelines be a bit to me at 3. Into management to crack as a national team management. Send the no.
Okay.
You can say club management. Send the expect. How do we ensure insurance of our players? Pension. Salary, how do we ensure say at least players in trio music up here? Ebema, ebetu music ebema money ajia. Ome ball wo krum ansa na ome tumi akọ. Na nye ne obi asori a anoma bia na wetuko. Na ko gina baby. Na say Ghana players be brain na mamona ne a. Omo nam ho munya ball kra mo. Obi tumi sesam kwa na de makogu baby. Na exploit we binum so ne nka ho. Nti we num nyina ya ade a efsan ka yetumi hihye. Nti ya hihye na say de ne nkofo no besina ho. Executive council GFA president o te say ayese mra bi da ho a ana ye twese bi ato ha ma ne pakro say obenam mu a se otene a ne ye hu so oto sin a ne ye hu but ayese sesia no Yakuku dan no ebesi still the foundation na enye no.
That is sebi wo hompo dadade
a. Ye di besi so. Nti wan hwe yie no wan nye ne papa. Ama na niku nanim a. Ye be call back to situation na ewo mu na Yakubu ma ye sa kwan we no. Ena me ka chairman for say ade ye ne no. Momo hwe sika. Momo hwe animu. Momo hwe ahofe. Omo hwe omo mo nimdie. Omo mo di omo hunni. Omo mo buo mo nipa. Omo mo odoma football na nkasa na omo hu football ni say business bi a miko hye mo anya sika. Omo nim say omo life no any football no edi nka. Oh, some crofo we no because football eyi na ye ka no. Enya ho na eji pay o. GFA nyi pay o ho. Nti ye nyi pay o ho no. Eden nipa be na wo fa na ebema nipa no owo saa odo no se adwuma oye eye to ho ache adwuma na me ye because eye middle. That is what I'm looking at. But akodu o kan ehwe enye ye ne emeka ne se me de minya anka ye di pongo no si hwi de nanim ba se ye di hwi na ko si pongo nanim ye elect executive council ne elect president. Me hope say the executive council ne president because ne be kese difficult am say executive council ne ba na o ka say omo undertake reforms na reforms omo ka koye a reforms may affect some of them omo position how are they going to accept the reforms. I think it's a lost opportunity for us as a country, but achiaso emuye we can still try and meander ourselves through situation but it will become like a labyrinth. But say committed people it will also be dependent on the sort of person who will be sitting at the ministry.
Okay, as
because
the minister,
whether you like it or not, in our part of the world, no, there is nowhere a Bible meeting who free football. Because me can't come to ye can be your policy no e can be na ama your football team say Kotoko has Ashanti Gold ninka mediama o hwe Ghana say club called Africa na obape no na e kaba nkrofo no mu de musika ye no omo hu nyina kom omo japade nyina be kom because the state is not supporting the clubs. Because you take it the issue say club be akwa Africa e yo no ankasa na sem onko pe de sika no onko. But where is the sort of environment a bit we have clubs no onko pe sa sika no de akọ okoji bank loan na okoji bank loan nsi hu ayi na wo ho obey de tua obobo na nipa hi na eba sika hi na onya no etumi tua over to say clubs and liberty ya bobo enya 2000 3000
eno amonya bi
o say
eno amonya bi obi timi nya 200 300 wo wanya 200
am so Kimfasa match bi o nya 150 Ghana
55
nti esa na adeso then ye dey source anchor from ye ball ya se but na nyina na be gina fapi manka ye sisi na ebe ma football na ye but me na meka ne kwaku kan ye fa anchor for ye for mo nyina ho no me ni problem but me to be frank with you me feel say ye hwe nkrofo anim kakra because let me be frank with you and yes me campaign mo bi nipa ba ko bi a enra one win me ya Justice Boyson. I don't know whether I say what team that. He was a fantastic footballer or ball to national team or university no national team or Vipers or Dwarfs or Azakes or national team Blasters. Oh yeah, Ukra masters in business administration.
Wow.
Oh yeah, accountant, chartered accountant. Or when him there, but don't say because oh yeah reserved or where actually into but a drew better than old footballers say can't say if say any pebia or no sube to me akoha or bet to me as soon old footballers nisun. That is the only reason why I supported Abibata was because she has played the football before. You share women's football as see Ghana first or a pioneer or fabulous ladies. Ebe call management or kotoko management kotoko management like I say
board yeah.
What I say owo nimde owo do ta fact ono so na mo business woman okra ne bi kakra nti enye football no afi no be pen sika ne bibi I don't know whether you know okra adan be nsia e wa dum any KJT area ho properties nti no de sika ye kotoko mini players are on ba kotoko no on na ehwe omo enye kotoko management on nkasa etuyo dan etuyo sika etuyo market bibia. That is a sort of woman or doma football into a bema said even though we consider the age said the near fee because or you're over 60 but she has a passion and she loves the game. Obit is around the abbey wonderful me say ye president and as a president no fee so person in the year obviously he is a potential vice president for the FA. But me to me account say maka na ma me subium say nipa bi no mo a aka nsia no ho a me fi say omo time in swing
oh esco no
no me can
president
omo contest elections na kasa
yeah but number say
but esco no me can say Dr. Robin fantastic Randy Abbey fantastic Fedachi Ash Gold. In terms of maturity, Maka say, well, no, but he's been in it for some time now, almost close to 10 to 12 years, you know. We're committed to football. What I say? From sports commentating, sports writing, Asante Kotoko, Ash Gold. I'm saying we play a role, our GF in management in Nubi Muda. What I say?
Yeah.
Until at least he has been groomed. Makado, yes, I think he's also quite okay because wabua on a bua Pama to me chichi Midiama and also Nyani Rus Kakrasu from Accra so folk. Until I don't have any problem with him. Me feel so far no no really I don't really see anything wrong, but me feel like that DKY kind, new faces, yes. I don't have any problem per se with Georgia Mwako, but I wish somebody like him would have stayed back to be a father, an advisor, a patron. You understand? Because he's the oldest of all the people. Only a large cruiser.
Yeah.
And come here a gentleman and can be see what if you want. Nanka ya call mona say no more too. They send a large jawula ne nana batla no antenna actually they be omutufo. In case of any, they can come in an advisory board bia they be ometu GFA 404 any can home. But yeah, so or beshema ne me soon say omenya akokoduro ometumi aye adwuma no e wo bako yem kro yem because me nim so mo nyina ho no mo they have different allegiance. Let me catch you. I know some people who are they are still coming with Nyantechi era ideas. What I say? And no, if you're not careful, na omo krasa reformist ideas no. Oni omo nya say
bonding beer
ebe ma mu nyina ma kasa edede bia no ede sa division na wo ho some time ago no because my brother, let's not take it away whether we like it or not. Nyantechi still has influence in certain people and over certain people in the football administration today. He has an influence and he will seek to protect that interest.
Ne numsio kakra meba sisi anafe ya behwe presidency ne ho na ye de bewie enkomo twetwe na no pay na mema Sadiq Adams.
Peace FM 104.3 Wood to me Taki.